Come with me on a journey through South America, where we'll learn about its colorful flags, rich nationalities, and beautiful languages, all in English. This is Argentina. People from Argentina are Argentine. They speak Spanish. For more tips, subscribe our channel. This is Bolivia. People from Bolivia are Bolivian. They speak Spanish, Quechua, and Aymara. This is Brazil. People from Brazil are Brazilian. They speak Portuguese. This is Chile. People from Chile are Chilean. They speak Spanish. This is Colombia. People from Colombia are Colombian. They speak Spanish. This is Ecuador. People from Ecuador are Ecuadorian. They speak Spanish. This is Guyana. People from Guyana are Guyanese. They speak English. This is Paraguay. People from Paraguay are Paraguayan. They speak Spanish and Guarani. This is Peru. People from Peru are Peruvian. They speak Spanish, Quechua, and Aymara. For more tips, subscribe our channel. This is Suriname. People from Suriname are Surinamese. They speak Dutch. This is Uruguay. People from Uruguay are Uruguayan. They speak Spanish. This is Venezuela. People from Venezuela are Venezuelan. They speak Spanish.